So another person died yet again in a dancehall. And I'm not talking about Unicorn, that video is coming up, but I'm talking about a man dies after a risky dance move. So, a 24-year-old construction worker who resides in Hopewell, Hanover, died following a dance-off at a party in that town last Tuesday. Information is that the man, who goes by the pet name Mel, was at a party at a popular jerk center with friends when some of the local dance moves were being exhibited by patrons. Mel chose a female partner who is estimated to weigh over 200 pounds and decided to lie on the ground while she dived on him, mimicking a popular dancehall dance move. He started to complain of pain in his testicles immediately, and we had to help him up and assisted him to get a taxi home. An alleged eyewitness said his pains got more unbearable during the night, so he was transported to the hospital. It is reported that he died the following day, with speculation rife in Hopewell community that his death is a result of the dance move the previous night. A post-mortem will be conducted, and people have been known to get injured both locally and overseas from dance moves. And quite frankly, he is not the first person to die like this. A girl actually died jumping off a speaker in a party a few months back. So this is nothing new to Jamaica, but I don't understand why does this keep happening, and why do regular people actually participate in stuff like this. Like, I leave dancing like this to the professional. Dancing Rebel, DJ, dancing Talop, Cher, Nikisha, Marvin the Beast. I leave dancing like this to them, because regular people go to these parties. Yes, it's fun to look at them dancing and all that, but when you start participating, you start putting your life in danger. There's a specific way you do certain dance and how you have to set to make sure so your balls right and your pum pum alright and this, that, and blah blah blah. But most of the time, our people take it overboard and do some crazy things and endanger their life, and they think it's fun and games until they're injured or until people died. And as far as Marvin and Nikisha is concerned, I like what they're doing, because they're only dancing with each other when they're booked for a specific gig. So all the outside patrons don't have to participate, don't have to do anything reckless. They can just watch them dance, and I actually like it better like that. But the thing I want to know is, what happened to real dancing in a dance hall? What happened to the choreographed dance moves? And not only girls just they wind up themselves, but girls that actually can do choreographed dancing, that can actually teach a class, know jazz, rhythm and blues, or teach ballet, are well versed in all forms of dance, not just rocking up yourself and wind up yourself. What happened to those girls? What happened to that type of dancing in Jamaica? What happened to Gully Creeper, Stooky, Willy Bongs? What happened to those type of dance? Don't anybody make those type of dance anymore, or build those type of dance move anymore? That's what I want somebody to tell me. Yes, it's all nice and great to the wind up a man, but you need to be a well-rounded dancer if that's the area you're going to take to, or that's what you want to become. Okay, you know, easy if you break into the dance scene in Jamaica at all, especially if you're a female. And I hold the females to a higher standard, because they need to do more than just winding up themselves. And this goes to show that the patrons need to be more careful. Okay, everybody wants a piece of Jamaica. Black, white, brown, Chinese, African, everybody want to know Jamaican dance. But our people need to be more sensible and more careful when they go to these dance and participating in these dance with these girls that be doing outrageous stuff. Okay, this is crazy, and he's not the first person to have died because of dance move. Like they said in the article, both overseas and yard, people are dead. So when our people are going to wake up and actually stop it and actually realize that to a certain extent your life may be endangered when you're doing these risky dance moves and partying with these girls that be doing outrageous stuff. But anyway, comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story about the man dying because a 200-pound girl dived on him. Okay? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuces.